In a significant address at the National Forensic Sciences University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Tripura's Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha highlighted the crucial role of forensic science in ensuring justice. Speaking at the 2nd International and 22nd National Indian Association of Forensic Odontology Conference on Saturday, the Chief Minister emphasized that forensic science play a vital part in identifying criminals and establishing the identity of deceased individuals. He underscored its importance in the delivery of justice. A 2-day 2nd International and 22nd National Indian Association of Forensic Odontology Conference was held at the National Forensic Sciences University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Tripura's Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha attended the conference on Saturday. The conference saw the participation of delegates from across the country and abroad. While addressing the gathering, CM Dr. Manik Saha expressed his delight at being a part of the event. He emphasized the importance of strengthening the state's forensic expert team and improving the necessary infrastructure to ensure thorough investigations. Dr. Saha also highlighted the significant role of odontology, a crucial branch of forensic science in supporting investigations and delivering justice. He mentioned that the National Forensic Sciences University has already been established in Tripura, underscoring the state's commitment to advancing forensic science.
There is saying, while the criminal may lie through his teeth, the teeth themselves do not lie. And this is the essence of forensic odontology. Our teeth, the hardest structure in the human body, unique, sir already mentioned, have the unique quality of surviving conditions in which other tissues fail. God has made all these things. Otherwise, this science could not have been developed. Fire, water, decomposition, or mutilation may destroy all evidence of the body, but teeth often remain as very silent witness of the truth. The roots of forensic odontology can be traced back centuries. We have so many data. I may repeat, already my 4 speakers already have mentioned so many, even though I have to speak. In 1193 AD, first a case of identification using dentition from India was Raja Joy Chandra Rathod of Kanauj, died in the battlefield, and the body was identified by his false anterior teeth. In 66 AD, the body of Lolia Paulina of ancient Rome was recognized through dental evidence. Tsunami disasters, as we know, 2004, Southeast Asia. After the Indian Ocean tsunami, forensic odontology was critical in mass disaster victims identification. Then World Trade Center attack in 2001, USA. Dental records were extensively used in identifying victims after the 9/11 terrorist attack. Many remains were fragmented, and odontology provides one of the most reliable means of identification. In India, there were some notable cases. Nirbhaya case of Delhi in 2012. In the horrific crime, bite marks of the victims matched with the dental profile of the accused. Like the Seema Boda murder case in Maharashtra in 2012. Then Nitari village murder of Noida in 2006. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. There are some students, I think, here available there. Most of them, they were not born even. And recently, just I have been informed while I was discussing with the authority that on 12 June 2025, already mentioned here, my previous madam already have mentioned, the horrific plane crash here at Ahmedabad airport. Everybody knows. The whole country was in shock. There also the identification have been, because students already have raised here, they also have cooperated. So I would like to give them thanks that they have During the Vienna Opera House fire in 1849, dental identification was first legally recognized. Perhaps the most famous example is the identification of Adolf Hitler and his so-called wife, Eva Braun, through ante-mortem and post-mortem radiographs. Then very important topics, we know the father of odontology. In 87, Dr. Oscar Amedo, a Cuban dentist educated in France, considered the father of forensic odontology, wrote his landmark thesis, L'Art Dentaire and Medicine Legal, establishing dentistry as a tool for legal medicine. After the Paris Charity Bazaar fire, he used dental records to identify victims. This rich history shows us the teeth have consistently played a role in truth seeking and justice.
Tripura is the fourth smallest state in India with a population of approximately 40 lakhs. The state is known for its main tourist centers. After the BJP government was established in Tripura, a new dental college was opened. Currently, the state has 3 medical colleges with a new government medical college launched in just 8 to 9 months with the help of the Prime Minister. A new nursing college has also been started. According to the Chief Minister, the law and order situation in the state is also good.
Yesterday, while I was interacting with the authorities of NFSU here, I came to know that more than about 7,000 to 8,000 students are pursuing about 72 courses across 14 campuses. Nobody knows, I think. There are, I'm sure, across the country, there are some little knowledge about it. I would not have that knowledge if I would not have come here. So it should be, you all should inform all the peoples of Tripura, particularly these dental surgeons or other faculties, about this institution. This truly reflects the far-sighted vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to give the shaping the future of forensic sciences and allied fields. So because I belong to Tripura and as Chief Minister, from dentistry background, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, to Chief Minister of Tripura, I should say something for the Tripura in a very brief manner. Tripura is the 4th smallest state in India, about 40 lakhs its population. There are number of spots, tourist spots. I will urge you all to visit Tripura, and you will be very happy to go after going over there. In Tripura, before the formation of our government, there are only 5 or 6 or up to 13 or 14 these MBBSs. We were nominated to outside. There were no medical colleges and 1 seat for dental. And I was also one of them. There was no BSc, only 1 BSc students used to go outside. There's no many, central no many. So now in Tripura we have 3 medical colleges and about 400 seats, and it will be more in a very short period. Within 8 to 9 months you will be surprised that by the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, that I was able to make one of the best and finest government dental college in Tripura, comprising of 63 seats. Then we have started BSc Nursing College. We have started We have already started pharmacy college, JNM, ANM, like that.
Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha today highlighted the pivotal role of forensic science in solving crimes and identifying deceased individuals, bringing this crucial field to the public's attention. Speaking at the press conference, the Chief Minister underscored how this scientific discipline has become an indispensable tool for law enforcement. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.